In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Afterpay to Stripe quickly and easily. If you're looking to expand the payment options for your customers, incorporating Afterpay can really enhance their shopping experience. Let's dive right into it and see how you can set that up in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to navigate to Stripe's website. Open up your preferred browser and type in stripe.com. Make sure you're on the official site to ensure security and access to all the features we'll be discussing. Once you're there, glance toward the top right corner of the home page where you should see the option to sign in. Give that a click. If you're not already logged into your Stripe account, you'll need to enter your email and password next. Take a moment to ensure your details are correct to avoid any hiccups during the login process. After you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click on the sign in button to access your Stripe dashboard. With your account loaded up, you're now looking at the home page of your Stripe dashboard. From here, we'll head to the settings to configure your payment methods. On the dashboard sidebar, you should see a settings option. Click on that and it will lead you to a range of different settings you can adjust. We're going to focus under the product settings section next. Look for the payments link and click on it to see all the payment related configurations you can manipulate. Within the payment section, you'll want to locate the payment methods tab and open it. This is where you'll find an array of available options that you can offer your customers. Now comes the part we've all been anticipating. You'll need to scroll down through the list of available payment options until you find Afterpay. Take a moment to ensure the method is enabled. This might involve simply toggling a switch or following a prompt on the screen before Afterpay becomes available to your customers. And just like that, you've successfully added Afterpay to your Stripe account. Remember, providing more payment methods can significantly improve both customer satisfaction and sales conversion rates. It's really that simple and quick to set up. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial on enhancing your payment offerings through Stripe. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments below. Until next time, continue optimizing your business processes and happy selling.